Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file percentage tax quarterly. First, you need to identify if your business operations fall under the percentage tax category. This typically applies to businesses not subject to value-added tax and with gross annual sales or receipts not exceeding 3 million pesos. Next, understand the specific percentage tax rates relevant to your industry. Finally, determine the correct tax form, usually BIR Form 2551Q, for your quarterly filing. Once you've identified your tax type, the next step is to accurately calculate your taxable amount. Begin by computing your total gross sales or receipts for the quarter. Then, apply the appropriate percentage tax rate, which is often 3% for many businesses. Remember, this rate is applied to your gross revenue. Finally, deduct any allowable input taxes or credits to arrive at your net percentage tax due for the period. With your tax amount calculated, it's time to file and pay. Carefully complete the required tax form, ensuring all details are accurate. You can submit your percentage tax return either electronically through the BIR's online platforms or manually at an authorized agent bank or revenue district office. Make sure to pay your tax through authorized payment channels, such as accredited banks or online payment facilities, to ensure proper crediting. To ensure a smooth process, remember these key points. Always file and pay your percentage tax on or before the deadline, which is typically 25 days after the end of each taxable quarter, to avoid penalties and surcharges. Maintain meticulous records of all your sales, receipts, and expenses for easy reconciliation and future audits. If you encounter complex tax situations, do not hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional for expert guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.